Some other pieces that I pulled off the truck that I'm going to take some of that blue stuff there, I'm going to glue it around just about everywhere I can, cover every inch, and then put this piece back on the truck. Like I said, I did do this to the Nova and it increased the sound quite a bit. It's the cheap way to do it. Cardboard works just fine. It doesn't give you as good quality as the stuff you would buy at an audio store, but it gives you fairly good sound, plus it also keeps your car cool. Instead of spending $40 for each one of those pieces, I've spent about $15. Thank you for watching. Right in the piece to the truck, to the front part of it, I need to take and put some of this blue on the other side of it, like I did this piece. May look a little funky, but it'll really pay off. It makes the truck to where it does not vibrate really bad. Whenever you got a big system in it, makes it sound good. Quality wise, probably laugh at me for using this stuff, but it works for me. Okay, I'm making the stop big enough. This is the size of the speaker that normally goes in it. A little 4.5 inch speaker. I'm putting a 6-inch speaker in there for it. The only way to get it in there is to actually cut it like this. Alright, there we go. Got the whole thing all closed up and everything. Looks good. Got my good 6-inch speaker in there. I'm probably give me a 6-inch sub or an 8-inch sub someday and put it in there, but it's all flush and it looks good. Okay, I got the fill and seal done on this thing. Looks pretty good. It really shines and everything. It's really hard. I have just the head out of the screwdriver up there. I'm going to drop it on pure metal, and then on the first layer of fill and seal, and then the second layer. Listen, it's pretty loud, ain't it? Now listen to the first layer. Still pretty loud. So the second layer wasn't as loud as all. I finished the second layer of the fill and seal. It looks really good. I didn't go all the way underneath it, but it should help a lot. I'm gonna probably pull this up, do right here, and do the back sometime. See, I'm taking the roof part out. I've got quite a few pieces off right now. I got that whole side loosened and almost this whole thing done. Gotta pull this one off, pull this piece off, loosen that one, and hopefully the whole ceiling will come out. What I'm having problems with is right here, right above the subs, is vibrating so bad that it's actually making my light disconnect. So I'm hoping that'll change it when I put some fill and seal up there. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost done. I got the whole top done except for that one piece over there. I have just enough left. That's almost 2 sheets, 2 full rolls, sorry, of fill and seal. That did really well, and it sounds a whole lot better already.
When I a video phone.